Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video I'll explain about the append queries in the Power BI. So first question here is what is the append queries? So the append operations create a single table by adding the content of one or more table to another and aggregates the column header from the tables to create the schema for the new table here. Here in the given picture we can see there are two tables A, B, C with the row number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and another table with the column name A, B, D. Here we have row number 4, 5 with the same value 4, 4, 5, 5. After appending we can see after the content of table 1 like 1, 2, 3 another table 4, 5 being added here and the value of column C for row number 4 and 5 is the null and value of column D for the row number 1, 2, 3 is null here. So we'll see here with some more examples. Yeah, in this Power BI screen we can see there are three tables with sales value 217, 18 and 90. If we see here the number of column and name of the column, in 2017 we have the column name order underscore ID unique. Now in the table 2018 we have column name order underscore ID. Same in 2019 column name is order underscore ID here. So now we are going to merge it. So we'll see what are the option here. Now go to home, go to the transform data, click on the transform data. Remember one thumb rule here to append any query but append any table here. Both the table should have same number of column and column name for the both table should be same here and data type should be also same here. So now here we came here the transform data. In home we can see the append queries here. Here we can see two options append queries and append queries as new. In the append query if we are going to select though okay for table content of 2018 and 19 will be in the same table any of the table whatever we select. If we are going to select append queries as new, here we have option to select two table or three or more table here. So we'll see here three or more table means we can select n number of tables from the given here. If we are going to select two tables means first what will be first table, second table we can select here. In our case suppose first table will be 2018, second table we can give 2019 here. Now okay. Here a new table created. So we'll rename it as total cell. So new table is created with the total cell with the content of both 2018 and 19. Now another interesting is the this one. Here we can see in the total cell, this is the order underscore ID. In the cells 2017, we have order underscore ID unique. So how we are going to append it? So we'll select first total cell 2000 means total sales but that is combined to 1819 here. Append queries. Or table to append 2017 here. Let's see what happen. I know some problem will happen. Let's see. Now from left side it seems to be okay. Yes, but right side we can see there is some difference in the value. Like order underscore ID unique, there are some null values. Like as I was expecting the things. So how to overcome this problem here? Here sales 2017 will rename it. Now Here if we see to that order underscore ID unique, that is gone here. So all are with the order underscore ID with the same value, it's getting merged here. Yeah, with the some product ID and store ID were not matching, so that's why we are getting the null value here. So this is all about the append function in the Power BI.